Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Okay, um, pressing on with project 2. So this one here we're going to do a couple of things in this lesson. So number one is we're going to transfer some text from one view to another because the text is view specific. Okay, and once we've done that we're going to build a default floor to match the maximum building envelope for the project. And once we've built that floor, we're going to briefly analyze what we see and what we have and see if that can guide us, with for some future decisions. Okay, as usual, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. Okay, so text transfer. Okay, so this is the ground floor. Okay, so this used to be level 1. And at the moment we've only got modeled or sort of annotative information. On level 0 I have all of the other information. I've got text notes here. Now what I want to do is I want to transfer those text notes to my other view. I want to get them onto the ground floor, but I want to put them in the same place. Okay, so the process is really quite simple. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select all of these text items, okay, and I'm just going to hold the control key down, which allows me to do a multiple select. Okay, so control key down, and I'm going to select all of the text that I want to do. Now you can do this with text, symbols, even models, okay, but we're going to use text. So I've got everything selected that I want. I'm literally just now going to go Control C for copy to clipboard. Okay, so Control C, copy to clipboard. It's fairly universal. Right, now I'm going to go to the ground floor. All of these modeled elements are in the same place. They haven't actually moved. Okay, so I could go Control V to paste, but we're actually going to go in the modify area here. Okay, in the clipboard there is a paste section. So if I go click on this drop down arrow, you'll see that we have more than one option for pasting. And what I want to do is I want to paste aligned to the current view. This is my current view. I want to paste aligned whatever's on my clipboard. I want it to be drop in the same place, and this is what we use. Okay, so aligned to current view, bang. Okay, so it does it for us. So there's level 0. All of this information is in here on ground floor. It is in the exact same place. Okay, right. So that ticks that box there. Okay, how to copy paste text into the exact same place in a different view. Okay, right. Stage 2. Let's just build a simple floor. Okay, so we're going to go to our architecture, go to our build area. I'm going to go floor, architectural, and I'm just going to grab the first floor that I see. Now I have realized that the template I'm using is not the one I would normally use, but that's okay because that gives us the opportunity, or me the opportunity, to show you how to create and modify systems as well. Okay, and all we're going to do there, I'm going to use the rectangle tool because it's a rectangular floor. Okay, I'm going to click the top left hand corner of it there, and I'm going to left click at the bottom right hand corner there. Okay, remember this is our front setback, this is my side setback, rear yard or rear setback, and another side setback there. So I don't want to build in those areas. Okay, that's, this is the maximum building size that I'm going to be allowed to use at the moment. Okay. Once I've done that, I just want to make sure that yes, the floor is at ground floor level. Okay. And I'm just going to finish the edit mode by clicking the tick. Okay, so there we go. It says save project. Yep, that's okay. And on this one here, it says highlighted, topo solid, and floor overlap. I'm just going to ignore that um, um, message for the time being. Okay, right. So quick analysis. Okay, what we want to do now is go and have a look at our sectional view and see what's going on. All right, so this one here. Okay, I actually can't see the floor, which is a little bit strange. Okay, that's possibly because the sectional view is looking in the wrong direction. So let's flip that around. Select the section, flip it, and let's go have another look. Okay, and there is the floor that we were talking about. Okay, so now it has appeared. Okay, so we can see that that floor, yes, it is interacting with the topo solid at the moment. Okay, let's go and have a look at another section there. Let's go and have a look at this one here. Okay, ground floor, we can see the section there. Okay, so yes, the topo solid is cutting in a little bit, etc. Okay, sort of what we expect. And the reason for that is, if I do a quick measure, okay, there's my measuring tool there, and measure the depth of this floor, it's 470 millimeters thick. Okay, um, the final depth of this floor when we finish updating it will be 100 millimeters. So this one we are expecting it to actually dig in a little bit. Okay, but at the end of the day, everything's looking pretty good. Okay, so there we go. The slab is, my floor is sitting where I want it to be, which is on my ground floor. I can measure it. I can start looking at, you know, how far it's interacting, with other parts of the land. Okay, with my topo solid. If we go into 3D, okay, and that's the outcome. Okay, so at the high ground, yes, we're getting a decent cut of the slab in there. We're going to resolve that. But on this side here, we see that the slab is actually not touching the ground or the topo solid at all. Okay, so there's food for thought. Okay, right. So that's all we need to do for this exercise at the moment. Okay, so we're going to leave it there. The next one, we're going to look at, we'll probably adjust this floor. I'll show you how to change the floor structure, and we'll go from there. Until then, we will see you later.